All right, hello. We are back with another game dev. We are on our last day, so this is probably going to be our final quick recording. The only thing we have to do left is to make sure all of our UI dialogue and elements are up to just not the like one pixel, like one or not one pixel, but one color. Maybe look a little more fancy. Other than that, make sure all the dialogue is fit within the text boxes and everything like that. And then maybe I'll look at the map and maybe improve it. I'm not quite sure yet. But yeah, that's all we got left. And then we're going to be done, at least for now, with this game. I'm will most likely come back and improve, add more functions, the whole gist. But we need to do a lot of playtesting, make sure it all works, make sure our dialogue boxes are good. And let's just get right into it. First thing we need to do real quick, probably, is to change our money dialogue. This is what I'm talking about. I'd rather it look like the quest box than the money box currently is, just one solid blue color. But yeah, so we're just gonna go start talking to people, make sure this is all good. It's all good. We go over to our here. We're gonna buy it. Okay, it's within the dialog box. That's good. Good start. We're gonna go over here. Sure, that's fine. Make sure this doesn't get bought. Perfect. Okay. This guy, 5 coconuts. I think all the dragons are good. Honestly, I think the only thing I need to test in terms of dialog box is this guy up here. He's a little iffy. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going to open our PCU. And we're going to reduce our money so we cannot buy the fishing buff. So right now, the fishing buff seems to work fine. Good enough, right? But we need to make sure our "you do not have enough money" is within the dialog box. Once we confirm that, I think that would be good. Confirm, not enough money. It's honestly good enough. I'm not too worried about that. Here, again, not enough money. Here, cancel, cool. Yeah, okay. So I think the only real thing we need to do is change the money background, which we can just probably quickly do by we go down to our sprites here. So we have right here, we're going to duplicate this. We're going to call it money background. Gonna open it and edit. Let's see, the gold. Okay, so we have white text with a gold coin. So we don't want too much of the same color. I mean, should I just make it the same? I don't know. Unsure. How about we make it the same as, yeah, okay. How about we make it the same as background? But okay, well, go up to our, okay, what currently has it? I believe it might be our inventory that I moved it to. Draw function. Let's look. Maybe not. Should seriously be doing this stuff, but so this is the Apple icon. And... All right. All right, okay, so it's not in our inventory. Let's look at our GUI right here. Right here. Quest tracker gold coins. Okay, here's our gold coin. So right now it's SPR blue. Let's change it to SPR money background instead. Let's just take a look at it. See how it changes. And it looks pretty good to me, honestly. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't seem that bad. Honestly, I don't think I have much else to say about that. Okay, well, let's go to our foreground art. Or actually background art. So I think what we're gonna do is just maybe trying to prove this stuff. This. Let's see, get some cracks in here, maybe. Okay. Okay, like that. Alright, there's our little, I guess, monument. Foreground art, we can do this, this, that, and here we can do the same. Okay. The little pillar thing, I guess, I don't know. Those are stairs. The downward stairs. I don't need any of that. What does this look like? Okay. Okay. That's fine. Let us this stuff around. Barren feeling. Okay. I don't know. Torches are interesting, but factors are unnecessary. Let's go and maybe add a trail here. Background. It looks interesting because all right, there we go. It looks interesting because I seems like some of this stuff I put in the foreground, so I don't know. Okay. Okay, so now we can zoom in. What are some of these assets? You got the tent assets, wood, wood logs, I guess, some banners and stuff. Mushrooms. Hey, maybe we should put some around. Yeah. Be interesting to put mushrooms. Forest, you know. Okay. Now let's put some maybe fish drying stuff at the fish market. Go and turn off our merchants so I can see what's up. Put some fish drying racks here. There we go. Thick Coolio. Um, there we go. Okay, let's see. What else should we decorate, huh? I don't actually know. Lily pads, some random trees, some water buckets. Water bucket here. It's for ready to put clocks around. Let's put maybe some food stalls somewhere. I don't know. Here. This here. I don't really mind that it looks just out of place. Maybe it's not out of place. I don't really know. For me, it's not really a deal. Anvil. Do we need anvils anywhere? Not really. So maybe. What else should we do? Maybe put some red flowers over here or something, you know, for these graves. Hmm. I'm not sure what else to do. Right now, I'm just kind of waffling over here. I don't really. I mean, I'm sure I could fill out this stuff if I, like with some pawns and other stuff. I'm sure I could do all that. So I'm not sure. Should I? I really don't know. Like, this stuff is indoor stuff, which I'm not doing. Hmm. Really? I don't really have much else to say. We had some vertical. Oh, maybe these are. Oh. Um. It's not meant to be vertical fences, but you never know, right? Like, it could look kind of like it. You know? I mean, I don't know. Looks interesting. Yeah, I don't really have. I don't know. I don't really have much else to say. I feel like I don't really have much to do here. Yeah, maybe I just make like a little water thing here. I don't know. Here we go. Yeah, honestly, I feel like there's not really much else for me to do. I think the game's pretty good right now. Let's turn back on our merchants so as we don't forget about that. Walls are off. That's off. Move this back over. Yeah. I don't really have much else to say about this game. I think for the time limit I have, which is I'm gonna have it done today. Kind of need it done today. I have other stuff to work on, but I think there's a lot more I can do with this. Like adding a lot more mini game stuff, adding more islands, things like that I just don't have time for. But I think I did a pretty good job for this game. I mean, I worked like a week and a half on this. Some days more, some days less. But yeah, I do think it turned out pretty good. So I think what we're gonna do before I end the recording, we are going to build this executable. It needs to be labeled, but need a final. Okay. We're going to extract this to here. Cool. And we're gonna play. So this is gonna be the final game. We're just gonna play. Just to kind of check it out. Make sure everything's working pretty good. Got a goldfish. It's pretty cool. Got another goldfish. Got a carp. Click. Collect some resources. Talk with the temple. I like one carp. We have one carp, so let's give it to him. 12 for 12 gold coins. Yeah, we can't hide our task for. So annoying. Whatever, it's fine. Go around. Like this guy, goldfish. I can give you that. Oh, let's check the cooldown. Yeah, whatever. Not that painful. Some watermelon we need. Let's go grab. I think the first thing I need to do is oh, okay. It's just not taking it because I don't have it. Whatever. Okay. Here, how's our hunger doing? Not too bad. Some watermelon. Awesome. Let's go grab this guy. He 2 carps. It seems more than I can handle. So let's go and turn in our 8 watermelon. Cool. So we need a lot of carps. Cool. It's fine. Okay, there's our first carp. Okay. We are going to do 3 coconuts. Turn that in. Apple guy. Let's buy the upgrade first and then purchase some apples. Let's eat. Times 6 pineapples. I can do that. Let's go. All right, let's speed up a little. Let's go and sell some coconuts. Let's buy the fishing place. Let's sell one goldfish. And let's go and turn in our 2 carps. And then I think let's sell the rest of our coconut, or I guess some of our coconuts. Grab some coconuts. Perfect. Watermelon. Hey, whatever. I'm not too worried about that. Fine. All right, let's do some fishing. Get some fish. We can get a good amount of carps. We can. Oh, let's see. We can start selling and then getting the fishing buff. And then our money can goes up by a portion while fishing, because we can then catch catfish. Cool. All those fishing spots. Here for coconuts, I can do that. Okay. Cool. Yeah, we're just going on a fishing run here while collecting. Make sure we can get some money away. Coconuts. They're $2 a piece, man. It's like fishing. Fishing a carp. Or not carp, a goldfish. Cool. So let's talk to you. Maybe goldfish. Awesome. He wants some goldfish. That's perfect. We have a surplus. Let's do here. Go here. Okay. Here. All right. So this should get us enough money to buy both the shop and the fishing upgrade. Oh, okay, we got stuck on a wall. Let's buy some apples, because we need that. Talk with the dragon. We get 6 watermelon. Fishing gold upgrade looks good. So let's sell coconuts. Let's go here. Let's left click. Get some watermelon and some pineapple. Boom. Okay, so now the dragons have a potential to ask for watermelon juice and lemonade. It's always a potential, not a fire thing, but maybe that's what we can get, huh? Watermelon, some pineapple juice. See? Oh, pineapple juice. Juice. Oh. Okay. So maybe that's what we'll change. Oh, we got catfish. Okay, so let's look at how big. Oh, we can. Okay, so I think honestly, we should fix that. just because it doesn't take very much time. All right, so what we need to change is in our dragon customer, our draw function, turn this to 315. Okay. Okay, and okay, there we go. All right, and let's do PCU. I've basically tested all of the things I need, but let's give money to buy the enough money to buy the drink shop immediately. And then let's start collecting some watermelon. Let's go look for goldfish, pretty easy to get. Goldfish and carp. All right. Okay. One of each. We don't have a carp, so we can't talk to him. We still don't have a carp. Still don't have a carp. Honestly, I kind of want to fish this fishing thing. It's kind of annoying how he turns around. I know, I know the reason he does it, so I need to figure out if I have the ability to change that. Wow, we are only getting goldfish. Hey, man, this is the chances of hitting the same color once as possible. Ah, asking for carps, huh? All right, well, let's go over here. So, yeah, so what we're doing right now is just getting the dragons to hopefully ask for watermelon juice and pineapple juice to make sure that I don't know, the adjustments look okay. Of course, we need to buy this first. There, looks good. 2 watermelon juice, so let's go and purchase watermelon juice. Goes off the screen. Very annoying. Okay. Uh, well, it looks like it fits, but we will correct layer here. There we go. All right. So, a couple things. So, in our dragon customers, we will go draw function. Seems like this is fine. We need to go to our cooldown, which we will put to 180 for all three. All right, perfect. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to get our PCU. You're going to then turn this deck to $20. Go to our F function. Turn this to -1 and see what happens. Okay. Still turns around. Okay. So if we put this to 0, turns around that way. Possible to subtract a 0.5 of a position. Oh, pause. Oh, get rid of this one. Still turns around. Annoying, annoying, annoying. Okay. Yeah, how about this? In our char 1, we'll say okay. Okay, there is a roundabout way that I think I can do this, which is to... Okay. Alright. Oh, how about this? How about this? How about this? So instead of doing... Okay, what if we have it to where... Here, okay. So... Alright. That's that. Alright, well, maybe... Okay, so if we go, so... Okay. Instance nearest, we get the X, Y, and the OBJ random fishing spot. And we get the .x. we will say if the x is greater than current x, meaning that it is to the right, that means our object qtar will be set equal to x plus x plus 2. And we can say else minus 2. All right, let's see how that looks. See if that fixed it. So if we go here, it fishes correctly. We go here, fishes correctly. Okay, go here, fishes correctly. Cool. So, I mean, that's what I was thinking is it like turns towards the fishing spot and fishes. So here we look this way, fish here, it turns around. Go here, we look this way, fish turns around. Strange. How does that happen? How is the okay? So Risha. Oh, it's because me. Okay, I think I know why. Here, if we go to our anim fishing spot, I think here. No, it's whatever this is called. The no fishing. What did I call it? Not this thing. That's for certain. Oh wait, is it a particle system? Sphere water cycle. Yes. Okay. Let's. What happens if we do middle center? Because none of them are being drawn, it shouldn't change the position, and it does. Okay, well, let's change this to the correct locations. Here, 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 there, 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 there. Okay, there we go. Now let's check it out. It's fine. It's fine. It's perfect. Okay, yeah. There we go. That fixed it. Well, let's double check. When we go over here, perfect. 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 All right. Yeah. All right. It's because the origin was not correct. All right. So I think that's all I want to do for this game. I think that's it. What we are gonna do is make sure everything's in its kind of starter. Like this is how I want it to be. Go to our PCU. Pretty sure our money's already 20, but No hurt in checking. Okay. Let's go here. That's okay. Let's build again. Executable. Let's override this here. Yes. All right. Then back to here. Place. Open. All right. Yep. All right. Pretty cool. Perfect. You know, I mean, what can I say? Ah. All right. I think that's gonna be wrapping it up. Pretty happy with where it is right now. So honestly, you like this stuff? I mean, regardless of whether you like it, I'm probably gonna be uploading it. But yeah, I'm gonna probably continue with this game later on. Um, but I'm gonna be graduating soon, so I'll probably be there's probably gonna be a little bit of a break period over the next couple days where I won't be uploading anything. But yeah, I will be back. I'll probably think of new ideas to add to this game. And yeah, I hope you're there to watch it. So, yep, okay. I'll see you next time.